Here you can see this beautiful moon. Hello my beautiful souls. I am Sravani, your personal growth mentor. Today I welcome you to the chapter 8 of my book How I Claimed My New Life. I am grateful that you are walking this journey with me. And here we are choosing not just survival but happiness every single day. Now let's move to the main part. Before taking you through the chapter 8, let me remind you I have explained in the chapter 7 that your health condition and this life death position may give you an opportunity to introspect your life and connect to the higher realm. So, in the chapter 7, we have learned how to connect to the higher realm and how we can use that opportunity to redefine our life for living every single day.
So, Shravani, can you please tell me your chapter 8 name?
Yes, this is the chapter 8 Spirituality and Healing. Now
Okay, I
take-
understood. Now, please continue with your chapter 8.
Now I will take you through the chapter 8. Here I have explained about spirituality and healing. Here spirituality doesn't mean about any kind of religion. Here spirituality means connecting to the higher source that we call the universe, the higher power that operates this total universe. So here we mean religion, we do not mean any kind of religion. Here we mean connecting to the higher source and develop our faith on that higher power that everything is going right way. And that brings that faith and surrender to our life. And faith here means that we believe on the process of our God, that everything is going right way, and we believe on the process of healing. And trust me, that gives us power to heal our body faster. I surrendered my fear because I was facing lots of fear that I will be surviving or dying. But here I surrender all those grief, fear and anxiety to God's peace to envelop me. Then come, let us go to the spiritual healing. Spiritual healing means after every chemo session for 5 days there will be unbearable pain in the whole body, a burning sensation and nausea and body ache. At that time I used to listen Hanuman Chalisa in loop mode for the whole night because it actually helps.
This is the line, no?
Yes, because it was actually helping me to actually silence the chatter of my brain about my health and my pain. Instead, my brain was getting diverted to listen the Hanuman Chalisa and believing that God is actually helping me to heal my body. The role of gratitude. Gratitude is a superpower that helps us to actually double the process of healing. We never thought about our body and we do not give thanks to our body. But during our sickness or painful situation, we remember that our body is doing so many functions. Actually, our body has almost 1 trillion of cells and every cell has its own memory. So trust the process that every cell of your body has its memory and it can heal itself. So trust that the cells are working towards your healing. And whenever you are facing any kind of pain, here I have explained about Abraham Hicks 21 processes where he has given us some affirmations that really helped me, and during that painful stage it reminded me that pain is the process that my cells are working towards its healing, and I surrender it to the God that my painful body is now healing, is working towards its healing. And what is my work then? My work is to breathe and let it go. Breathe and let it go the pain. So I was doing that. And then next I was using a power of prayer that I took from Joseph Murphy, where he has told us that you just surrender to God and tell that God is looking after me. It is the higher power of God that is always operating within us. So it is God who is looking after me, and God is the supreme health. That health is flowing through me. After that, I have explained about self love. Do you know? Self love is not about greedy. Self love is about being appreciating the presence of your being, your living being. So, in this way, I used spirituality towards my rapid healing. So, friends, did you like this series?
I like it too much.
Thank you so much, all my viewers and subscribers, for watching and supporting me. Your support gives me strength to share all my journey.
Stay connected with Shravani's journey and let us grow together. If you like this series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Jai Jagannath.
Thank you.